gentlemen, welcome to the Mile High City of Denver, Colorado, where the local time is approximately 10:30. Please remain seated and the aisles clear until the captain has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution opening the overhead bins, and remember to check those seat back pockets for smaller items you may have placed there. Any trash items can be left on your seat. You may now use your cell phone if it's available at your reach. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer questions regarding connections and baggage claim. Special thanks to the members of our Early Returns Frequent Flyer program. We hope you're taking advantage of all the benefits our membership offers, like earning miles with your Frontier Airlines MasterCard. If you're not a member, why not join today at frontierAirlines.com. On behalf of this Milwaukee and Denver-based flight crew, as well as Colorado, the bighorn sheep on our tail and wingtips, we'd like to thank you for choosing Frontier today, where we're a whole different animal. Welcome to Denver. Gentlemen, welcome to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where the local time is about 1:25 p.m. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, all carry-on items stowed, and the aisles clear until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution opening the overhead bins, and remember to check your seat back pocket for any smaller items you may have placed there. Any trash you now have may be left on your seat, please. A customer service agent will be meeting this flight to answer any of your questions regarding baggage claim. Special thanks to members of our Early Returns Frequent Flyer program. We certainly appreciate you flying with us this often and hope that you're taking advantage of all the benefits our program has to offer you, including earning miles with the Frontier Airlines MasterCard. From all of us here at Frontier, especially Pete, the brown pelican, flying with us on our tail and winglets today, it's been a pleasure serving each and every one of you. We thank you for flying Frontier. You are welcome to turn your cell phone on now if it is available at your seat. I'll be making an announcement to let you know which carousel to get